I've been seeing so many people talk about their listings being taken down or even their stores getting banned. But that is all avoidable. Let's run through some of the most painful mistakes you can make as an Etsy seller and make sure your store is safe. After watching this video, you should feel a lot more confident in running your Etsy shop. A lot of the most common Etsy mistakes are subtle but important. No amount of running Etsy ads or optimizing all your listings will help if you accidentally break Etsy's house rules and get booted off the platform. Let's go through some of the less obvious but painfully common Etsy mistakes. Etsy's counterfeit rules don't just apply to actually selling counterfeit items or pretending to sell things made by the real business. Check your product listing photos and make sure they don't have designer goods or trademark content in the background, or Etsy could flag your listing in an attempt to enforce the counterfeit policy. Yes, this is a real thing that has happened to sellers, so keep your listings designer brand free. Shilling usually refers to buying, rating, or bidding on your own items to deceive legitimate buyers. In the context of Etsy, it often means creating a separate account to buy your own stuff to make your store appear higher in the Etsy search results and reach new customers. As an honest business owner, you definitely don't do that, but you still could break the rules by accident. You may want to test if your Etsy shop is running properly, from how your listings look to how your products arrive at the post office. But you're not allowed to create a new account just to buy your own products or have someone else place an order from your IP address. As innocent as that may sound, your friends placing an order while using the Wi-Fi in your house would be considered shilling by Etsy. This one is pretty straightforward. Don't copy other sellers. Getting inspired by your competitor's listing is fine, and you should absolutely research your niche. But Etsy takes intellectual property seriously, and outright copying another seller's ideas, style, art, or brand violates Etsy policies and is likely to result in suspensions. You can sometimes come across Etsy shops that are carbon copies of another successful business, down to the logo and shop name, but that's not what Etsy's success looks like, and most sellers who try to profit off of the hard work of others don't last long on the marketplace. Etsy uses automated systems to detect content that violates their policies, so steer clear of trademark content or you could get suspended. Yes, this means no Starbucks-inspired designs or Mickey Mouse ears on t-shirts. While an existing brand comes with a loyal fan base, the risks far outweigh the benefits. Etsy won't have you selling things like tobacco, weapons, or other prohibited items. And you may think that as someone who sells t-shirts or necklaces, the prohibited items policy doesn't apply to you, but it does apply to your designs. Selling products with prohibited or restricted items depicted on them could get you flagged, so Etsy isn't the place to sell Prosecco shirts or gun pendants. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's time to go through your listings and check for any of these mistakes. Comment below if you have any questions or share mistakes you've made in the past. Who knows, it could really help someone. Subscribe to the channel for more Etsy tips, and until next time, happy selling.